It's a glorious day here at Cabinet Joint. I'm Justin, and today I'm here with Josh, and we're going to be talking about tools that you are going to need to install your kitchen cabinets. So Josh, we have cabinets and everything installed here behind us, and we've used a lot of tools throughout the process. Talk to me about them.
Yeah, so these are, for the most part, the essential tools you're going to use. We have our different screw types, our hole saws, a mallet, stud finders, multiple types. It doesn't have to be brand specific. The third hand, there's also alternatives to this. You don't have to get this. Nail gun, different drivers. It's always nice to have a few drivers. That way you're not constantly switching through drill bits, have a few extra. Shims, we have, your standard taper shims and then the flat shims, which I like. There's a lot of benefits to these. We have our little air shim here. It's, kind of like having a third person on site to help hold things. These aren't really super important, but very helpful in situations. This super glue and the activator spray. Your oscillating tool, clamps, definitely need clamps, string line, an assortment of drill bits, masking tape and the tape measure. Very important, our laser. You don't have to do it. You can get away with, just using levels. We use a combination of both, but really, if you can at least rent a laser or borrow one from a friend, definitely I would go for that. It's gonna make this whole job way better, way faster. And a step ladder, we definitely need a step ladder. But yeah, really, this is what it takes to kind of get the job done.
And now, are these, brand specific or?
No, they don't have to be brand specific, but I will mention that every single one of these tools was used to pull this project off. So we do wanna make sure, you're prepared and that you have at least the majority of this stuff on this list, because you're gonna find yourself going to the store multiple times as you try. Nobody wants to do that. You want to be set up and ready to go.
Yeah, nobody wants to be on the infinite Home Depot run list, right?
That's right.
So if you have any questions on what tools to get, what tools you're going to need as you install your cabinets, you can reach out to your cabinet coach or call us at 888-211-6482. Thank you guys for watching. Have a great day.